You may or may not have heard this before, but it actually kind of keeps me up at night. When you sneeze, your eyes close for a brief instant. However, if you sneeze while driving at 60 miles an hour, your eyes will be closed for approximately 50 feet. According to one 2014 study, drivers who temporarily lose vision due to sneezing cause 2,500 accidents in England every week. Yeah, every week. Now, what are those stats in the US, where we have more landmass and significantly more cars on the roads? I actually shudder at the thought. According to one earlier study, more than 2 million drivers have crashed while driving simply because they sneezed. This suggests that 7% of adults have been involved in a car accident due to sneezing.